श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तः पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिरूपं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि, सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In the Shanti Mantra, we need not add the Hari Om Shri Guru. It's not part of the Shanti Mantra. In the end, it's okay when we are doing separately, but not as part. No, the volume.
It's at maximum.
Okay. Why does it seem little less lighted? Okay. So, Mr. Jiva. What has happened to Mr. Jiva? He is now what? Going from one body to the other, right? At the time of death, that's an important time, it is decided where he will go. In the sense, भरत उनको जो मीना अम्मा के आगे के रूम में है ना, उनको बुला दो, उनको बोलो कि they can attend the session. जो मीना अम्मा की ऑपोजिट साइड में रहते हैं ना, संत निवास में ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे, तो उनको बुला दो, ठीक है। So, where were we? At the time of death, it will decide where we go. Ante ya vritti, yathamati tatha gati, yathavritti tatha akruti. All these words are said, right? So the antakala becomes, so to speak, important. When we say antakala, during the last part of our lives, many times we see that whatever wrong we have done or whatever right we have done keeps coming to our mind, more the wrong than the right. Has it happened? Why does it happen? Because we do the wrong with more intensity than we do the good. With more awareness, with more alertness. When I want to give in charity, I will just see if everyone is looking at and doing. But if I want to rob, then what? My alertness will be what? Much more. It has to be, because I have to escape from being caught, etc., etc. So all the wrong we do with lot more alertness, and therefore the impressions of that is stronger, and therefore we remember that which we have experienced intensely, and therefore we remember what? जो हमने गलत किया है वो ज़्यादा याद रहता है अच्छा किया है उससे. उसका कारण क्या है? क्योंकि जो गलत काम करते हैं, पाप कर्म करते हैं, वो बड़ी सावधानी से करते हैं. मन बड़ा अलर्ट होता है, इधर उधर नहीं जाता है, क्योंकि पकड़े जाएंगे, कोई देख लेगा. All these fears are there. So be very careful. And therefore, because it's so intense, the impressions also are stronger, and therefore they are more likely to what? What? Come up. So towards the end, a lot of people remember all the wrong they have done. I did not do this with this one. I should have given this to this. I was wrong, but I said like that, and etc., etc. It is possible if your mind is alert. Of course, if you have Alzheimer's and all that, then what you will remember, Bhagavan knows. So all those other things are there, other factors are there. And therefore, now supposing a person has Alzheimer's and things like that, then what would decide his antakala? Will it be that last thought? Last thought could be anything. Or if a person goes in coma, what about his last thought? In coma, subconscious mind works fine. But then what do we know? We don't know anything particular about this. So will that jiva know or not know? Of course he will know. Okay, the conscious mind we are talking about. But this eki bhavati, it doesn't happen in the conscious level. It happens at a subtler, much subtler level. So he knows. The jiva knows where he has to go. Because he leaves, na? He leaves. So he knows where he has to go. It's not consciously. See, very, very few people, I have seen a lot of people who do satsang. I'm telling you all these things because these are all related to this. They may not be spoken specifically in these, but they're all related. I know of a lot of people who have done satsang. They will say, I will not see the next Diwali. They're healthy, completely healthy. Then they'll say, no, I will not be there. Or, I will not, this. Very clearly they will say. Or, next week I may not be there. They will. How many of you have had experiences like that, or people telling, okay, this will be there, and then they'll actually, within that week, they'll pass off. Very much. Some will say also, tomorrow morning, I don't think I'll be there. And healthy people. And then say, I don't think. So people who have satsang will have may have, most of them will have, what? This knowing कि हम जाने वाले हैं. जब वो करते हैं सत्संग का प्रभाव इतना होता है कि उनको पता चलता है कि अभी हम जाने वाले हैं. That is probably there. And some of them, they plan, they go very beautifully. It says how you die shows how you lived. Some goes so beautifully, इतने अच्छी तरह से, इतने शान से जाते हैं. They would have finished all their morning prayers, or some in their, what? Meditation. And it's amazing, how they go. Or they choose one date and Shivaratri time exactly, they would have gone there, something like that, and they've left their body happily and all that. So it is possible to have. So that end time. Now even you take Bhishma Acharya. See, he went, all his, he was dripping blood, remember? The guy was all that. And it is said that he has eaten food from this Duryodhan all his life, right? So all that blood got what? Washed off. It was pure. Mind was what? Pure. No. all that, he said, when someone said, "Now, why did you not save Draupadi at that time?" So he said, "I have eaten the anna of that people, whose papis. I have eaten their anna." So, that's why it's so important the food we eat, The purity of the food, because food makes the mind. One part of the food makes the mind also. So it's the subtlest part of what you eat. So that's why they say Shuddha Ahara. Ahara Shuddhe, Sattva Shuddhi, etc., etc. Now, I want to bring the example of Bhishmacharya and Dronacharya at this point, because we take these examples very this. Now, Dronacharya is a classic. What a great soul. Can you imagine in the middle of the battlefield? Where was it? Where? In the middle of the battlefield, when he knew Ashwathama is dead. Usko pata chala ki Ashwathama. Usko laga apna beta gaya. He knew that Ashwathama. He says, there's nothing more that I need to live for. So I want to quit. So what did he do? Can you imagine in the middle of the battlefield, arrow shooting, what? Up and down, the sound of death, the blood, the elephants, the horses, the soldiers. ऐसे वातावरण में द्रोणाचार्य ने क्या किया? बोलो. What? He sat, meditated, and gave up his pran. Now all this atmosphere is made also, everything is there, and then we sit. And then what happens? One little something outside happens, and then it's, arey, आवाज करता है. Are you understanding? We feel what? Disturbed by someone snoring or someone Hari Om. They are new, they don't understand. Okay, they, can you imagine the what? The abhyasa bala of Dronacharya. The sheer what? The absolute unbelievable command of his mind. That in that circumstances he went, and his yoga practice was so strong, and he gave up his prana. Hai ki nahi, bolo kamal. And that can come through what? What? Abhyasa yogena balena. Should practice. And that Bhishmacharya, what to talk of that guy, Re? He is there. And when he is in that condition, he is giving Vishnu Sahasranama and all the possible knowledge that these, what? Pandavas want. Isn't it? He remembered, our one little pain and ache in the body, and what happens? Bolo. I can't come for class today. I am having stomach upset. Isn't it true? And a guy was older. Bhishmacharya was how old? Quite old. Imagine. Pitama nahi, you have to see the generation before he was, and all of them lived God alone knows how many years before that. So, and yet what happened? He gave all the knowledge, he gave everything. He said, okay, fine, I have to go. He looked at Bhagwan and says, now best death is here. You are standing in front of me. Time to quit. And he quit. Are you understanding So these are all exceptions, okay? These are possible. And I gave you other examples of people in this world also whom we know of, who have passed away beautifully. Is that okay? So we don't think, Dronacharya and Bhishmacharya, we will never. Don't worry. Even people like us can have a beautiful death. Is it okay? But how will it be beautiful? What? But Swamiji, till now I have not done anything. Okay, better late than? Start from now. अभी से शुरू करो. ऐसी अच्छी मरण चाहिए. They say that Gita teaches you how to live and Bhagavad teaches you how to die. क्या? गीता आपको कैसे जीना सिखाता है और भागवत आपको कैसे मरना सिखाता है. ऐसे बोलते हैं, but until unless you lived a good life, you can't die. Both of them teach you the same thing. दोनों से वही चीज़ सिखाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ अलग अलग ज्ञान होता है. Because in Bhagavatam, what happened? Parikshit, after 7 days of listening to Bhagavat, had a beautiful death, right? And at the end of Gita, Arjuna had a beautiful life. Okay, that is the whole idea. He became victorious. That is why they say, but it's not like that. Okay, there's a very beautiful story quite related to this. एक बार एक राजा थे और उसका जो राज्य था वहाँ के नहीं लोगों ने ऐसे निश्चय किया, द पीपल ऑफ दैट प्लेस डिसाइडेड कि जो भी यहाँ के राजा बनेंगे वो सिर्फ 5 साल तक राज्य करेंगे, लाइक हाउ वी हैव अ टर्म ऑल्सो, 5 साल तक राज्य करेंगे और उसके बाद में नदी है उसके उस पार उसको छोड़ा जाएगा. वहाँ उस पार जंगल और बहुत जंगली जानवर थे. There was a river and on the other side after 5-year term they would be what? Sent there. This was the this. You know what happens, you know, with people who know the story, they get excited, then they start telling others. Don't do that, okay? If you know, because I see sometimes, you know what, they want to tell the punchline to someone, you know, all this sort of things. So please resist all such urges, okay? Don't spoil things for others. Right, so I have seen people do that. Fine. So what happens? Ye Raja, this king was there. That first king was appointed. So what did he do? For that 5 years, khao piyo, mauj mein raho. He didn't care for the subjects. He just had a great, great whatever he calls great. तो 5 साल उसने बहुत भोग किया, इतना भोग किया, बस क्योंकि उसको पता है सिर्फ 5 साल है, उसके बाद में तो निश्चित मरण है. So at the end, when it was 5 years, he appealed to everyone, अरे छोड़ो ना, please, I will live like an ordinary person, doesn't matter, but don't send me there. They said, no, rule is rule. So that boatman was there, appointed boatman, take him. So they put him in the boat, उस पार ले गए, the other side, and what happened? They heard lot of, screaming from him, and all the wild animals did what they wanted to do. दूसरा राजा आया, second one came. Half the term he enjoyed like anything, same as the previous one. Then after that, what? He said, hey, now let me. He was really, really worried. I am going to die, I'm going to die, I'm going to die, I'm going to die. So what? The other half he spent in worrying and all, it's coming closer, only 1 year more, only 6 months more, only 3 months, 3 mahine, 4, and gaya. And that second one also, they put him and he was so worried. But anyway, they put him. The third king came, usko to kya? From the first day he was worried. Why? 5 years only. पहले से ही उसको फिक्र थी. वो बस फिक्र में क्या हो गया, उसकी पूरी 5 terms चले गए. And when they put, that same boatman was there. उसको अंदर गए, halfway through he said, I don't want to go there, because he heard about the other 2. And he jumped into the river itself. गया, वो भी गया. Now how many more kings? Only 1 more king. Okay, this is going on. Okay, now the one king was there. He 5 साल का उसका भी term था. So he from the beginning used to be very helpful to others. It's not that he didn't enjoy. He enjoyed, but he did a lot for the people. सबका बहुत कल्याण किया, सब खुश थे, बहुत खुश थे. Everyone was happy. Now 5 terms are over. Now what? That time, so many of them said, no, let him stay, it is very good, he is such a good person, we'll give him a second term. He said, no, nothing doing, my term is over, I'm going. But he says, no, we don't want you to go, you were so good, please stay, please stay. He says, no, mujhe jana hai. Rule is rule for everyone. Good king, bad king, doesn't matter, rule is rule. Isn't it true? In a country also, rule is rule. Na? You can't say, no, because a good prime minister or something that extent. No, you have to get re-elected, right? So anyway, so what happened? So the boatman was taking him also, and he told you first king that happened, second king that happened, third king, this guy is not at all worried. He says, but this is there and all, the wild animals, don't worry at all. So he landed on the other side. He's telling the boatman, you also come with me. He says, no, what crime did I do? I am not coming with you. No, yes. I'm telling you, if they catch, they'll catch me first and kill me first. So you run away back if you feel really scared. Don't worry, मेरे साथ आ जाओ. वो नाविक को कहा. So they went. Because he was not at all scared, no fear on his face. So as he was going, the minute they reached the edge of the jungle, they saw a pathway. And the king confidently took the path. Then further on they walked. The road became bigger and bigger. And वो भी गया, अरे उसको पता नहीं, अरे रास्ता है. Then when they went, they saw beautiful chariot standing over there. They both got into the chariot and they saw, hey, this is not bad. Chariot here was there and all. And then, what happened? See, I told you how they get excited because they know the story. For what reason, I don't know. Anyway, so the chariot was there. Please, can we keep quiet so that others can enjoy the story? Yes. So the chariot was there. And then what happened? As they went further and further, what happened? The road became bigger. They entered into a city. And this boatman, अरे ये तो शहर है, ये क्या बात है? And then when they went, there was a palace. And when they went into the palace, immediately they crowned him the king on the throne. Story ends. What is it? We have got a term of life, okay, everyone? Fixed time. 5 years, fixed time. हमारा term लिखित होता है, विधि लिखित होती है कि this much is my. Now what do? With that, either खाओ पियो मजा करो, don't worry about anything after life, don't worry. And what happens at the time of going? No, I don't want to go, मेरा चुन्नू मुन्नू and everything. Then the second type of people, what happens? First enjoy, then worry. Is it true or not? Whole life, what happened and what will happen to my what and I don't know, and I'm telling you, lot of old people spend a lot of time worrying. Yes or no? Favorite pastime. If you ask them why, they say, what else to do? Retire ho gaye na? So what do we do now? What are we doing? Vriddhastavat chinta saktaha. Isn't it true? What if I die? Arey Baba, there is no if about dying. You will die. Have you understood this point? What if I become old? Of course, you will become old. Tasmad apariharyete natvam shochitum arhasi. This is a beautiful, this of Gita. It says that which is apariharya. Apariharya means inevitable. जो होना ही है, उसके लिए चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए. Have you understood? मरने वाले हैं कि नहीं मरने वाले हैं? बोलो भाई. Everyone who thinks they will not die? Everyone? We are going to die? Everyone? Sure? 100%? One thing no one has escaped is what? Life. I mean, death. That is 100%. Life will end with what? Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu. Okay? So that is 100%. So term is fixed, na? So what you do in this term is what? Is important. So this last king, he sent people to the other side of the jungle, cleared, made a pathway, made a city, made a palace, so that he could go there, and after 5 years, he was crowned. Are you understanding? He sent people also. Say, jao, wahan jaake. The story doesn't mean that you send people on the other, this. अरे जाओ, पहले से वाइफ बच्चे को भेज दो, चलो मैं आता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं. What I'm saying is, my karmas, what do? I create a beautiful future for myself in the life after. Is that understood? I live in a life in such a way that when I go, I know I am going to. Isliye, in our country, na, we have very nice words. When the person dies, na, we say Swargavasi. Bolte na? Bolte ki nahi bolte? Swargavasi. I don't know what they say in Tamil or any other. I'm sure there's a language like that. In every language there will be. We call that person also Swargavasi, meaning we are giving him a benefit of a doubt that he went to Swarga. Where he went, Bhagwan knows. But anyway, we are saying what? Are there phrases like that or not? Swargavasi means he would have gone to heaven. No, I know my mother-in-law 100% no Swarga. I know she did nothing like that or whatever. What I'm saying is, this is what we say. What? As a, what? We give the benefit of doubt they had, and that's why whenever we pray, we say Sadgati. May you have, what? Sadgati means what? A good year after. That is what we always say. Now, the question was, is the time fixed? When we come itself, our time is fixed, or can we change that time? That is the time is the duration of our life. It's a question asked. So, you all know medicines, na? When they are put in the market, the expiry date is stamped beforehand, right or wrong? After the expiry date is stamped, and then what? Product is sent into the market, right? But some people use the medicine even after the expiry date. And sometimes doctors also say they always play it safe. So you can still use it for a certain medicines, and not all medicines. They'll say for a little time as though. But in this particular case, it is not like that. I told you number of breaths and all of that is there. So more or less, everyone breathes the same. Okay? Healthy people breathe. So what happens? When the breaths are over, the person goes. You know? So can you change as such? No, you can't. Can you, no exception? Yes, exceptions. Like Bhishmacharya and all, there are exceptions for every rule. Okay? Sometimes by the very grace of God, what can happen? It is possible. I talked about Swami Akhanand Maharaj. You remember? That great saint of Vrindavan. In his life, it was 100% decided that he would die by 16 years of age. His grandfather was a great astrologer and had said, okay, this man is going, this child will go. Actually, his grandson is there. So he was told also that he would be this. So he went to a saint and he says, look, I'm going to die by 16. My grandfather is always perfect in this. So please tell me what I should do. So he says, when you know that you are deathless, there will be no death for you. And he became a Brahmagnani, lived till 70 and above. I have personally met that great saint. You understand? So he became this. You all know the famous story of Bhagwan, what? Shankaracharya ji. His lifespan was what? 16 years of age was his actual lifespan. Decided lifespan. Do you know the story, na? शंकराचार्य जी के माता पिता को बहुत आयु हो गई थी, पिताजी की आयु, माता जी की नहीं, पिताजी की आयु बहुत हो गई थी और उनको बच्चा नहीं था, तो उन्होंने त्रिशूर में वो जो भगवान शिव का बहुत ही सुंदर भव्य मंदिर है, वहाँ उन्होंने तप की प्रार्थना की. दे प्रेड लाइक एनीथिंग फॉर हिज to get a child. And Bhagwan Shankar himself appeared and said, I give you a choice. You will get a child, but the child will be either small age and do great things, बहुत छोटी आयु का होगा और बहुत भव्य काम करेगा, or live a long life and be ordinary. What do you want? What would you have chosen? Anyway, what the parents chose is short life, but he'll do something great. That's what they chose, and Bhagwan Shankar himself came in the form of what? Shankaracharya. Okay, 16 years was his what? Written lifespan. But then what happened? Vedavyasa Bhagwan met him and they had a dialogue. वेद व्यास wanted to know, वेद व्यास भगवान और शंकराचार्य जी मिले और भगवान शंकराचार्य जी को बहुत सारे प्रश्न पूछे गए. वेद व्यास himself asked him lot of questions and he says, अरे इसका ज्ञान बहुत पक्का है रे, this guy is too good. And if at all there is anyone who can, dharma samsthapanarthaya, so to establish dharma, he is the ideal candidate who can do it. So Bhagavan Veda Vyasa himself bestowed 12 more years of life. So that means not 12, 16 more years. And so he lived for 16 more years. And at the age of 32, he did something that even 100 lifetimes we could not have thought of doing. You understand the great, unbelievable work that Shankaracharya ji did in what? Just 32 years of his life. But his expected was what? How much? Okay. So those are exceptions, okay? Normal people, what will happen to us? जब टाइम हो गया तो राम नाम सत्य है. So don't ask for longer than you have to live. Always say, once Guruji said it beautifully. एक संत के पास में, he was relating a story, एक संत के पास में एक आदमी गया कि यहाँ मेरे जीवन में क्या लिखा है वो बताओ. What is written in my life? Please tell me. So he says, जीवन बनाने के लिए आओ. Don't come to me for trying to see what is there. You make your life a beautiful life. You come for that. Now, one other story. I'm telling you all this is because we are taking what? Vidya, Karma, Purvajnanam. For that only, this package that we are going to be taking, we have to be careful. Here also it is said, why is this whole thing related? So that we live a very meaningful life. That's what is related to all of this. So we should know why we are doing. One saint was there. One man went to him and he said, please tell me what I should do with my life. एक आदमी गया एक संत के पास में, मेरे जीवन कैसे जीना चाहिए वो मुझे बताओ. That Sant said that forget about life and all that. In 1 week's time, you are going to die. What? In 1 week's time, not 1 week, I think he gave 15 days. So in 15 days, you are going to die. So just live your life knowing that you are dying in 15 days and then come back to me just before you are this. Then I will give you some nice knowledge. On the 15th day, come back. 15 दिन में आपको जाना है, तो 15वें दिन में आना, तब तक अपना जीवन जियो. Because you only have 15 days, go. Then when he said, "Arey, 15 days only," what happened? All his priorities change. Is it true or not? Supposing we were told that we have only 15 days, what will happen? What will you do and what will you not do? Please tell me. Whatever you think is priority, you will do, right? So many things, someone says and all gossip is, chodo re. Isn't it true? Because what difference it makes so and so ran away with so and so? It makes no difference. Agreed? अगर हमको पता चले कि 15 ही दिन जीना है तो हमारी प्रायोरिटी बदल जाएगी कि नहीं बदल जाएगी? क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कैसे करना है, बदल जाएगा कि नहीं? So, what happened? His life became whatever money he owed to someone, he gave away, whatever he had to do, सब उसने ये कर दिया. Okay. उसके बाद में what happened? He came on the 15th day and he started praying to God. He did so many things he did. On the 15th day, when he came to the saint, he says, tell me now, how will I go die? What will I do? He says, the way you lived the last 15 days, continue to live. You are going to live, don't worry. Are you understanding? How many of you have seen the Shankaracharya ji movie? Okay, wonderful. A lot of you have seen. बहुत सारे लोगों ने देखा है. शंकराचार्य जी ऐसे दो उनके so called friends साथ में रहते थे, है कि नहीं? ऐसा दिखाते हैं वो पिक्चर में. One is death and the other is what? Vairagya. So he always kept death as his friend. Meaning what? I must know that I'm going to die. I guide my actions by the fact that I know I'm going to die. क्या? ऐसे मन में रखना चाहिए कि मैं एक दिन जाने वाला हूँ, इस प्रकार से पूरा जीवन जीना चाहिए। जैसे कि आप लोग को पता है कि आप यहाँ आए, एक दिन आप यहाँ से जाने वाले हैं। यू ऑल नो दैट यू कम हियर, यू विल गो फ्रॉम हियर. Keeping that in mind, you will form relations, you will be with each other. Is it true or not? If something happens, you'll say, it's not my business. After some time, I'm going away. People of the ashram, let them do. Is it true or not? It doesn't bother you so much. Why? Because you know you are going to go from here. Very clear? Bolo. Similarly, the jiva must know, I am going. That should be always there. I am going. And therefore, is this important? Not important. Is this important? Very important. Is this important? Not important. Are you understanding? So you will start picking what is important in life and throw away what is not important. समझे? जो महत्व का है वो रखेंगे, दूसरी सब चीज बेकार की छोड़ देंगे. Everyone, bolo. This is important to understand. Ki bhai, what we have to keep with us. Because expiry 100%, that friend should be kept in mind. Another wonderful, this, Pujya Swami Tejo Tapon Maharaj. Mahatma, great, great, great person. Now, it so happened, once, when he was on this of going, he became quite, body was very emaciated and very, and Pujya Gurudev, naturally his own guru, na? So he said that, why don't you, we'll take you to Delhi and get the best of doctors to take care of you. So he says, no. He said it very nicely. He says, kya Delhi mein log nahi marte hain? People don't die in Delhi, or what are you saying? You go to Delhi and all. Anyway, so, and he said beautifully, he said, if I'm doing satsang and a person comes in the satsang, pehle se aakar baith gaya satsang mein. Then the whole satsang went on, people asked questions, answers, everything. And this person was silently sitting, devotedly sitting over there throughout the satsang, listening to everything. Now everyone finished their questions, everyone this went. Now this one person who was devotedly sitting right from the beginning to the end, should I not talk with him? Yes? So he says, death has been with me from the day I was born. I had a conversation with everyone. He has been patiently waiting. Now, should I not talk with him? Are you understanding? Bolo, should I not meet him? He has been waiting. The day I was born, he was there. He was the only one there. Others came, others went. समझे? जिस दिन जन्म हुआ, उसी समय मरण साथ में है और पूरा साथ जिंदगी भर दे रहा है. अंत काल में क्या करना चाहिए? उसको भी मिल लो. Why we should not get scared? Because I am a Jivatma. Are you understanding? That is why this important is this. I am a Jivatma. This body will go. I am meeting him. I have met him thousands of millions of times. Have you understood? How many births have you taken? Bolo na. How many? How many times have you met death? Bolo. That is why I told you, forget about Brahma. First important is, I am a Jiva. Is that okay? Because like that we'll say, I am Brahma, and then I'll get scared of death. How is it possible? Better is to say, I am a Jiva and I have met the death hundreds and thousands of times. So I'm not, okay, fine, you've come. Good for you. I was waiting for you all my life. Is that okay? Everyone? Vyashema deva hitam yadayuhu. What should we do? Our prayer should be what? Whatever is my ayu. It doesn't matter what the ayu is. May I live it well. And when I don't ask for one more extension, thoda aur jila do, or jaldi jana hai, ya. It happened once. One person went to a doctor. So, and then this was quite bad. Everything was completely shutting down. So the doctor said, I can't do anything now more. What is your last wish? They asked, na? He says, I want another doctor. Because this one is not giving me any hope to live. So what do I want? One more. Will that help? So everyone is becoming a little serious. Why? We are thinking of our mortal. Remember, that friend is there from the beginning. He's not gone, he will not go. So what is more important is how we meet death, okay? Because see, death is for whom? Who dies? Does the jiva die? No. Can we all say it? I don't die. See, you don't have the guts to say it. Say it now at least. Who doesn't die? Jivatma. And who am I? I am the Jivatma and I don't die. Can we all say, I am a Jivatma and I don't die? You say it, ascertain it. I am a Jivatma and I don't die. What? I am a Jivatma and I don't die. What dies? The body. Anyway, it is dying every minute, every second it is dying. Is it dying or not? Thousands and millions of cells are dying as I am talking. So, cry for those cells or what? No, they're dying. It doesn't matter. Okay. I don't die. Can we have this thought very strong in our mind? What? Can you write it down? So that mind also is there, black and white also it is there. Write it down, all of you. I don't die. In caps. Okay, everyone in caps and bold. Write over it 3 times. Trivaram Satyam. लिखो, मैं मरता नहीं हूँ, मैं नहीं मरूंगा, मैं मरने वाला नहीं हूँ. मरता कौन है? शरीर. वो तो ऐसे भी मरता ही है. I don't die. लिखो, सब लिखो, 3 बार लिखो. एंड उसके ऊपर क्या? बोल्डली. Bold it also. Make it bold. Now look at that, what you have written, and internalize it. Now for the next 5 minutes, make this thought very strong in every way. I don't die.